Happy Friday, growth hackers, and welcome to the funky Friday edition of Growth Hacking Daily. Yes, today is day 16, and we're going to discuss a really dirty and quick hack to generate high quality backlinks off of people's website who have DMCA complaints against their content. And DMCA is just the Copyright Act, which means that these are websites which copied some content and now they have copyright issues, and we're going to replace them with our links. Okay. Sounds interesting. Let's get into it. So the tool that we're going to use first to find these websites is called lumendatabase.org. So lumendatabase.org. What I want you to do is go on this website, and this website is going to let us search for such copyright notices. And you search these notices by a given keyword. So let's say you're a professional blogger who writes about blogging, because most professional bloggers write about blogging. So just search for blogging, and you get all of these complaints to Google done by people for copyrighted content. So let's see this one, March 1st, 2017, passive blog tips to Google Inc. And let's see the complaint. Right? So you get all the details of this DMCA complaint, which says, hey, there's these original URLs. You can see passiveblogtips.com/tips to become a blogger. Like I said, professional bloggers write about blogging. And then these are the infringing URLs. These are the websites which have actually copied this stuff. And no surprise, it's an Indian website, the techtalk.in/blah, blah, blah, how to keep your blogging enthusiasm, all of that, right? So what we are saying is essentially that these are the URLs which have been complained against for copying the content. So what we need to do is look for all the websites which have linked to the techtalk.in, and I have another hack which I'm making, where you can find how to find websites, how to find the backlinks domains. So see all the websites which have a backlink domain to techtalk.in, and then you can say, hey, this is an infringed URL, and you can see the notice here. The notice ID is 139.55.641. Why don't you replace this with the blog that I've written on the same topic? As simple as that. Go out, reach out to them, send them mail. We've already discussed the email template before, and there's a 90% chance it's going to replace it because they don't want a DMCA complaint content on their website. As simple as that. Hope this helps. See you tomorrow for day 17 of Growth Hacking Daily. Thank you for watching.